I was going to say stay hydrated, kids, and then I choked. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know if you can tell, I mean you probably can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to do a neon green look. I did a neon orange look, I don't know how long ago, it wasn't that long ago, but I want to do a neon green look because someone asked for a neon look and I just thought, do you know what? I look like I've got a neck brace on. I was like, do you know what? I want to do a neon green look. I feel a bit strangled by this. Okay, so what I have right now out is the Sample Beauty pigment in the shade Lime Wire, the Suva Beauty Hydra liner in the shade Fanny Pack, and then the Sample Beauty Tectonic palette because it has some nice greens in it. I'm not really sure what look I'm going to do. I definitely want to do something with the liner. It's quite a different green. I could add some yellow to it, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to take the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade... Oh my god, I've literally used this so many times. Why do I not know the shade? Illustrate. I know the shade. It's Illustrate. I'm going to go in with this shade first, which is a dark green shade. And I'm going to pack that all over my lid, I think. It is dark, but I'm going to go into a neon green, so. Now I'm going to go in with the next green, which is this one. This one looks yellow on camera, but it is like a really light green, but I'm going to go in with this one. The first brush I used, by the way, was the Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 brush, and the brush I'm using right now is a Morphe M507. I only used a tiny bit of that shade just to kind of blend out that first shade. Now I'm going to go in with the lightest green, which is this shade. And I'm going to blend that above and on that last shade too. I'm going to mix these two hydra liners, which is the shade Fanny Pack, and I actually think I'm going to do something a bit different today. So I'm going to take some of my concealer and I'm going to clean up these edges. And then I'll tell you what I'm going to do. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing with this, but I'm just kind of doing a liner. I wanted to wing it out like at a different angle than this, which is inspired by my friend Lucy, LSG Makeup. She did this kind of look, but I don't think it's going to work. I'm going to go off camera and do my liner because it's stressing me out. I'm not like really happy with how this has turned out. I'm not the best at eyeliner, and I feel like it just looks like I've missed the line because it's not much of a difference, but... So I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is my favourite foundation at the moment. And I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer as well. I have a new contouring product I want to try today. This is the Sosu Contour On The Go Cream Stick. This is the shade Warm. I've always wanted to try this. That's what it looks like. It's quite warm, obviously. It's the shade Warm. Oh, I hate myself sometimes. Make sure my hair's out of the way, that might help. By the way, there's a bit of concealer on here that I've left because I want to blend it in a minute. Once it's like dried down a bit. That's a nice shade, and that really just blended into my skin straight away, like I hardly even had to do anything. Right, I'm gonna set my face. I don't know what powder to use. I think I might use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm struggling to find a good powder at the moment because I feel like a lot of them just make me look really dry, or just settle weirdly on my skin, or they don't like I get still creases everywhere. So if you have any good powder recommendations, please let me know. So now I'm going to go on my lower lash line with the same shades. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Sample Beauty pigment in the shade Lime Wire. This is just like a bright green. And I'm actually going to put a bit of glitter primer there first because otherwise I don't think it will stick. So I've got green nose. I'm going to take some of the Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the Lucky Clover shade and just put that on my inner corner as well, just to add a pop of highlight, like actual highlight. I might spray my brush. I'm going with the Ofra Free Spirit palette. I'm going to use the Versatile Matte Bronzer. I think it's quite dark, but I'm just going to add a little bit more bronze to my cheeks. And for blush, I'm going to use a mixture of these two because they're in the palette and why not? So going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And now I'm going to take the Lucky Clover shade from the Moonchild Glow Kit again. So the lashes I've used are the Sosu Luxury Lashes in the shade, I was going to say, in the style Taylor. When I first saw these in the packet, I was like, will I like those? They're a bit like spiky and like separated, as you can see, but I really like them. Like, really like them. I was just going to go in with my lip liner with the end this side. Well done, Alice. This is the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweetheart. For lipstick, I think I'm going to take this, which is the NYX Suede matte lipstick in the shade Fetish. It's really nice. It's a really light nude. I thought I wasn't filming then, I got really scared. So this is the finished look. Obviously very bright, very colourful, very fun, very neon. I actually really like it. Looking in the viewfinder, I think it's really cool and just fun. You know me, I like a fun look. Yeah. Well, I have done an orange neon look and now I've done a green one. I might possibly do a pink one, but then I think it'll be it for the neon series. I put the wrong word, the neon series. So yeah, I did do an orange version of this look. Well, not the same, but kind of similar, just without the wing liner. I will link that in the end card if I remember, or up. Is it here? I think it's this side. I'll link it up here in the icon if I can. I've never done that before. I'll try and do it. Thank you so much for all the love and support on my videos at the moment. It really means a lot and I can't believe how well they're doing. Please let me know if you have any requests for certain videos and I'll try and get them done. Leave them in the comments below and I will reply to them. I reply to all comments on my videos, like as soon as they go up. I absolutely love replying to comments. So please make sure you comment if you want to comment, because I will reply to you. It really means a lot. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would also mean a lot if you could check out my Instagram. It's Alice King Makeup. I will most likely be posting a picture of this look over there. It depends. I want to, but I'm not sure. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're having a really lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!